Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Hindi Chapter 5, Jahan Chak Wahan Raag. Meaning is where there is a will, where there is a way. Story explanation and textbook solution in English. This is a chapter about physically challenged girl. Her name is Ila Sachani. In muslin cloth dhoti, badami color is looking bright. She is doing embroidery work. Kasuti is the embroidery work in Karnataka. Border embroidery is looking beautiful. Gold and silver embroidery gave life to muslin cloth. All these decorations were made by Ila Sachani. These embroidery samples are unique example of her courage. Here Malmali meaning is muslin cloth. Badami rang is badam color. Kinare meaning is border. Tanko meaning is embroidery. Piroi is stitched. Barwa tanko is also a type of embroidery which is used in borders. Sunhare Roop Hale meaning is gold and silvery. And Bel Bhutto is also type of embroidery. Sajaya meaning is decoration. So this is Ila Sachani. Next, Himmat meaning is courage. Anoti Misal meaning is unique example. Namune meaning is sample. So this is the embroidery work. Next we'll see. Ila Sachani is 26 years old. She lives in Surat district of Gujarat. She spent her childhood in Amreli village near which is in Rajkot with her grandfather. Evening, all children will come out of their home to streets for playing. Some children will play by drawing diagonal lines. Some children will play guddu. So giddu. Some children will play by making rolls in leaves and they make sounds. Some will play pittu and some people will swing in big tree branches and sing song. So Chabbi's meaning is 26. Bita meaning is spent. Sanj meaning is evening. Here Gitte meaning is 5-stone game. That is a game played with stone. And Pittu is this game. This is Pittu. This is Patte se Pitpiti meaning Bajate is this. They used to roll the leaves and make sound of it. And some kids will play swing in big tree branches and sing song. This song they sing. Kache neem ki neem bori, sawan jaldi aayore. So this song they used to sing. Ila will also sing with them, but she cannot swing with them. She cannot hold the rope. So she'll sit in one corner and listen what all the children playing. She thinks in her mind, why am I not able to play like them? She likes to play with them. Sometimes she will join in some play. But in hide and seek play, she will get disappointed. Without using her hands, how will she play dabba? Meaning hide and seek. She understood that she cannot play like other children. Here penko meaning is swing, rasi is rope, dappa is hide and seek. Zind meaning is stiff. As her hands are stiff, she cannot play. Ek chunauti meaning is challenge. Accepting this lack of her disability wholeheartedly, she learned to work with her feet. Eating lentils, combing hair, sweeping floor, washing clothes, cutting vegetables. All these she learned to do with her feet. She also took admission in a school. At first, everyone was very concerned about her safety and the speed of her work. But everyone was surprised to see the quickness with which Ila used to do any work. She worked very hard to do work. Sometimes there was some trouble in doing some work, but Ila was not going to bow down to all these problems. So here Bal Banana meaning is combing hair. Farsh Buharna sweeping floor. Kapade Dona is washing clothes. Darkari Katna meaning is cutting vegetables. Dakila meaning is admission. Chinta meaning is ori. Furti is speed. Tang is amazed. Pareshaniyo trouble. Gutne Takne meaning is bow down. Atirikt Samay meaning is extra time. So we'll see what happens next. She studied till class 10. So उसने 10वीं कक्षा तक पढ़ाई की, meaning is she studied till class 10. But she could not pass 10th examination as she could not complete the writing assignment in the given time. If she had known that she could get extra time or she could get facility of another person to write in the examination, she would have also passed in the examination. She did not know all these information. She will always feel sad about that she cannot complete her examination. She did not think that life has finished with this part. So Jankari meaning is information. Khatam meaning is finish or stop. She did not think that the life has finished with this. Ila's mother and grandmother used to do embroidery. Her mom and grandma, they used to use needle thread and do embroidery. They themselves don't know when they started this work and when they got this interest. They make use of toes and both fixes the thread and the toes. It is not easy to do this. We say that this at this point only we say that where there is a will, there is a way. So in front of their courage, nature also got loses. So 15 to 16 years they were mastered in the embroidery. So after working for 15 to 16 years, they got mastered in the embroidery. They know how to match the embroidery for all the dresses. So Kashida Kari meaning is embroidery, Sui meaning is needle, Resham meaning is thread, Anguto meaning is toe, Sahara help, Asan Kam easy task, Jutla false. Next Mahir is expert, Putrat meaning is nature, Pandrak Solag is 15 to 16 years. So after working for 15 to 16 years, Ila became mastered in embroidery. She know how to match embroidery for all dresses. So one day our embroidery work was kept in exhibition. So with Kathiawadi design, she merged Lucknow and Bengali designs with that. She also decorated with chikankari work. She made dandiya design using kanta embroidery. She also decorated with animals, birds. She merged modern and traditional designs together and made new designs. Her art was greatly appreciated by all the people who came to the exhibition. There was brightness in her eyes, smile in her lips, and she had strong confidence with which this gold and silver embroidery work will never get tired. So in this, from this we can get to know the meaning that where there is a will, there is a way. So here Gade meaning is stitch, Paridano meaning is dress, Istemal use, Pashu Pakshiya animals, birds, and Parambarik meaning is traditional. Navinata meaning is modern. So takti meaning is tired. Nahi hai. Takti nahi hai meaning is never get tired. Her embroidery work will keep on grow. This is the chapter Jahan Shah Wahan Ra. Next we'll see the textbook solutions from this chapter. Where there is a will, there is a way. First question. If a girl like Ila or Ila had enrolled in your class, what question would rise in your mind? So if a girl like Ila or Ila had enrolled in my class, then various questions would arise in my mind, like how would she wear clothes? How would she eat? How would she do her homework? How will she be grooming her hair? How would she itch if she was itching somewhere? So all these questions you can write. You can also write your own question. Next, second question. Has there been any change in your thinking after reading this article or this story? Earlier, I used to think that people with disabilities are not only physically weak but also mentally weak. They need support and sympathy. They cannot do any work by themselves, let alone study and write by enrolling in school. They cannot do anything by themselves. But now uh, I'm thinking that I can trust them. My thinking was completely changed. Now I think that I trust them and feel full of courage. They are no less than us. Rather, sometimes they are far ahead of us in efficiency that they start taking inspiration from them. So we start taking inspiration from them, not us. Next. मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ. I can do something too. First question. If Ila comes to school, what problems will she face? She will have trouble in carrying a school bag, writing, straightening the bench if it is not straight, playing swing with classmates. All these will be trouble for her. Second question, can you suggest some changes in your school so that she does not have this problem? So maybe some scribe can be arranged for her or she could be taught everything orally. Dear Ila, Pyari Ila meaning is dear Ila. Write a letter to Ila and tell the feelings arising in your mind after reading about Ila. The outline of the letter is given below. So here this Priya Ila and this outline is given in your textbook. So you can write your own way. So how will you address? So this is the address and this is Priya Ila, dear Ila. This is the subject of this letter. Here your name, you are going to write your name. So here I have written, when I saw you for the first time, I thought that you must have got all your work done by someone else. But now I am proud of you. You are full of confidence. You never allow your disability to overpower your willpower. Despite not having hands, you have mastered a difficult art like embroidery. It really very beautiful. Even our hands cannot do such a thing. You are a source of inspiration not only for me but for everyone. May God bless your confidence and strong will and keep on achieving success upon success. This is what is given in this screen. You can write your own letter. Sawal hamare, jawab tumhare. Our question, your answer. First question. Why were the schoolmates worried about Ila? Was it right to worry about them or not? Write the reason for your answer. The school people were concerned about her safety and speed of her work and her disability. The concern was partially correct and partially not correct. As far as her safety is concerned, she was right, but it was not right to be worried about her disability because Ella would do any work with courage that others were stunned. Second question, what was special about Ila's embroidery? Kashida Kari meaning is embroidery. Ila's embroidery had glimpses of Kathiawar as well as Lucknow and Bengal. So they say that as Kathiawadi. So with Kathiawadi, she included many other stitches. She also decorated the leaves with chikankari work. Sticks were also raised from the kanta work. Next, geometrical figures of animals and birds were also used. So this was special about Ila's embroidery. Khas meaning is special. Next, put a tick next to it. So here a question is given. Ila could not pass the 10th exam because 4 options are given here. First one, she did not prepare well for the exam. She did not pass. She did not want to pass the exam. She did not. She could not complete the question paper due to slow writing speed. She never liked to study. So the answer is she could not complete the question paper due to slow writing speed. Fourth question, would Ila have learned to do anything with her toe if the people around her had done all the work for her? Then didn't give a chance to do anything. So here they're asking, so would Ila have learned to do anything with her toe if the people around her had done all the work for her and didn't give chance to do her anything of her own? So the answer would be, if the people around Ila had done all the work for her themselves and did not give her a chance to do something of her own, then she could not have learnt anything with her toe. So Kashida Kari, embroidery work. Many words related to embroidery, sewing have come up in this lesson. List them. Now look how many new words have you learnt by reading this lesson. So Tanka, Budia, Kashida Kari, Barba Tanko, Kanta, Bel Boote, Chicken Kari, Zanzir. All these words are related to sewing and embroidery. So Silai, Kadai meaning is sewing and embroidery. Collect related words. Next question. Collect related words, both noun, verb from the list given below. So here football, all these are given. You are going to write both noun and verb from that. Bag Bani meaning is saucer weaving. Patang Baji meaning is kite flying. So these are the list of words that I have written. You can also write your own words. Next. Second question, take a plain kerchief or cut a cloth and make it embroidery. Make embroidery with the help of your elders using one of the stitches given below. So this is Zanzir, this is Machli Tanka, Barwa Tanka, and this is another stitch. This is Ulti Bakia. So all the boys and girls of the class should do this work. So you can try doing it with a kerchief or with any piece of cloth. You can try any of the embroidery work. So chapter 5 ends here. You would have learned about how this chapter tells you the moral. Where there is a will, where there is a way. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.